So we're going to look at how to create a clickable table of contents in Google Docs. So the first thing you want to do is to ensure you have a document like this in Google Docs. The document should be formatted with headings like this. Like this one is heading 3. This one up here is heading 1, and so on and so forth. So once you have your document formatted with headings, you want to ensure you add a table of contents above the top title. So you click right here, and then you come insert, and then break, then page break. So that's going to create a space above this title where you can now go and add your table of contents. So the next step is to go back to insert, and then after clicking insert, you're going to click on insert table of contents, and then plain text, dotted, and then link. So you click on this third option. So that means you're going to insert a table of contents with the links. Just click on it, and there you have it. So this is your table of contents with the links, like that. So if I click, let's say, on this link, it's going to take me to the section on the document with that heading. As simple as that. If you have questions regarding this, you can drop them in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on other tutorials like this one.